Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a Roblox game's not loading. To know how to fix or how to solve a Roblox game's not loading, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about this window of Roblox. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can install your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.